Okay, so I want to do a video series as fast as I possibly can to try to teach the basics of drawing. First question, number one, how to choose what to draw. So early on, when you're first learning to draw, I would do what Hokusai did, which is Hokusai is the Japanese artist who invented manga. And what he would do is he just made a whole bunch of drawings of discrete objects, like discrete individual things. So when you're first learning to draw, I would not try to draw whole compositions. I would not try to do whole landscapes, things like that. I would choose an individual thing, something that you like, and I would try to draw that one thing. So for example, here's a picture of Hokusai's some of his masks, some Japanese masks that he drew. This is very similar to like Tattoo Flash. I would find like a Tattoo Flash that you like, and I would just try to draw each of those things. Try to learn how to draw each of those individual things. That's going to first help you develop how to draw discrete items that are good. And I mean, the level up of this is actually literally what Andy Warhol does. Is Andy Warhol just picks things that he knows that people like. He picks things that people buy, they're super popular, and because they're popular and people buy them, he knows that people will love them. And if you paint them or draw them, people will love that work. So when you're learning how to draw, pick things that you love, that you like, that you really, really like, and learn how to draw that one discrete object really, really well. Okay, then the next thing that you do is you do iterations of that thing. You rotate that thing, you change the color, you change the shading of that thing. You just keep drawing that same thing that you love over and over and over in different ways. And that's going to help you develop different styles of drawing. And you'll just get really, really good at one object. You'll start to feel very confident. And that is really how I try to start out the class. So in some classes, we start with just drawing some discrete claws, some subcomponents of larger animals. Or in this class, we did the water fleas. The whole idea behind that project is to get really, really comfortable just drawing one thing. And then once you do that, you can learn how to organize a composition around discrete elements. Like here's an entire composition just based on claws. So final wrap up is when you start to draw, don't try to kill yourself drawing complex landscapes and complex interactive scenes, okay? Start simple and draw discrete items. Then work on arranging a piece around a set of discrete items. So here's a Da Vinci page. Again, like you could do the entire scientific illustration class not ever doing a scene at all, but you can arrange a whole very attractive piece around discrete objects, just like this. So I would start with that.